This is a glimpse into the chaos of preparing for my big Halloween show, Bewitching Peddlers of Halloween, which always falls on the last Saturday in September. I am getting ready for my show. I'm in the studio. I'm doing all kinds of stuff. So I wanted to share with you some of the things that I'm working on. I have a whole slew of bat pins that I've got to paint. You can see some I did with some of the brown cotton versus the white. So we'll see how that turns out. These are all the things that I have to paint. I have to paint these guys, and a couple of these are going to be for your sale. I've got a spider. And then here's the haunted house. I had a hard time really trying to figure out what I was going to do with it. And I've got a ghost. I'm going to make a veggie guy coming out this window, the ghost, and then I've got a cat. Not that cat. I'm going to put, I think, oh gosh, where's the other cat? Oh, there's the other cat. I'm going to use this cat. So I've got the light in there, and then I've got to fix the windows and work on that. And then I'll show you more. Here's all the pins that I created. They're little vintage pies, and these will be little pins that people can buy at Bewitching Peddlers. I think they came out so cute. All the different faces. Those are cotton, and then they've got a pin back, and then I'll put them on this card. And then I took out all the innards. This is an old clock case. It's pretty big, but I took out all the innards. I painted it with chalk paint and stained it. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do here. I painted the back of it, and this is going to house my big Frankenstein. This guy, I just finished his face. I had to redo his hands because they weren't big enough. And then I've covered his body with batting to fill him out. So now I'm going to dress him. But he is going to be inside this. I guess he's staying. So I'll have him holding a lantern, and then I'll probably have a green light in there so that he kind of stands out and it's a little bit eerie. I'll have branches all around like he's running from the villagers. This was my tester sheet. Let's see. This was what I used to figure out the background color for Frankenstein. I wanted to make sure he stood out, but I didn't want to distract. So I did a tester on some watercolor paper to see what color would work really well. And I zeroed in on something like this. It's kind of like a dark maroon, orangey maroon. So, and then I have pieces like this guy that I have to finish up. Oh, he's got some cotton stuck on his tail. I have to dress him. He's going to be holding a pumpkin. And I've got this cat, which I really like. I think I might put this one on a little paper mache box. And then I've got some more little cats, which I think you may have seen already. Anyway, another little cat that I'm working on. So there's a lot in progress, as you can see, and I'm hoping I'm going to get it all done. I'm down to the wire, but I'm getting there, and I just wanted to share some of the things that I'm working on with you. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my spun cotton creations for Halloween and Christmas. I also have an Eva's Creations Patreon page where you'll find exclusive behind-the-scenes videos, tutorials, and early access to my spun cotton art. Join me. Thanks for watching.